friend and welcome to my channel! Let's draw Santa Claus and his elf together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw Santa's head with a curved line, a horizontal line, a curved line and another horizontal line. Draw a semicircle, a curved line and a circle for the pom-pom. Now draw a large semicircle for the outline of the head. Draw 4 curved lines for the mustache and 4 curved lines for the mouth. Draw a circle for the nose, 2 smaller circles and a curved line for the glasses. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw the eyebrows with 2 diagonal lines and a curved line. Draw 2 curved lines for the beard. Draw the semicircles for the ears. Wow! Our drawing is starting to take shape! Now draw the body with a large curved line. Inside it, draw 2 curved lines for the belt. Two vertical lines and a small rectangle for the buckle. Draw 2 vertical lines for the jacket. Now draw the first leg with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and a horizontal line. Draw the foot with a curved line, a horizontal line, and a vertical line. In the same way, draw the other leg and the foot. Draw the first arm with 3 diagonal lines, a diagonal line for the cuff. Draw the glove with a small inverted U-shaped line and a curved line. Do the same for the other arm. Follow me while I'm drawing it. Good job! Santa Claus is ready! Now draw the sock with the gifts. Draw a curved line for the sock opening. Draw the first gift package with 3 diagonal lines. Draw the ribbon with 2 diagonal lines and 2 small semicircles, 2 triangles. Now draw 2 more gift packages. Trace the sock edge and outline with wavy lines like I do. Now draw the elf. Draw a circle for the nose and 2 circles for each eye. Draw the eyebrows with 2 diagonal lines and a curved one. Draw a curved line and a semicircle for the mouth and a curved line for the tongue. Draw the base of the head with a curved line, a diagonal line, 5 V-shaped lines, a diagonal line. Draw the top on the forehead with 2 curved lines. Draw the hair with a V-shaped lines and draw a pointed ear. Trace the face outline with 2 curved lines, a curved line for the hair, and draw the second pointed ear. Draw 2 curved lines for the head and a circle for the pom-pom. Trace the shirt collar with inverted V-shaped lines like I do. Trace the shirt outline with a vertical line, a horizontal line, and a vertical line. Draw 2 diagonal lines for the arm. Trace the cup with 3 V-shaped lines and a diagonal line. Then trace the glove with 2 inverted U-shaped lines. Do the same thing for the other arm. Draw the first leg with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, another diagonal line, draw a curved line, and draw the second leg. Now draw the pointed shoes, follow me while I'm drawing them. Draw a horizontal line for the belt, 2 vertical lines, and a rectangle for the buckle. Draw 2 curved lines inside each ear and a small curved line for the hair. Wow! Our drawing came out so well! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes. Use pink for the skin. Use a darker pink for Santa's ears, nose, and tongue, for the bow, for the elf's nose and tongue. Use red for the mouth, for Santa's head, gloves, jackets, and pants, for the bow on the present and a box, for the elf's mouth, the head, the cuffs, the collar, and the shoes. Color Santa's bells and shoes with brown. Use dark yellow for the pom-pom, hair, eyebrows, buckles, and the package. Use green for the hat, the shirt, the leprechaun's pants, the bow, and the box. Use light blue for the glasses, for the house clothes, and for a box. Wow! Santa and his help came out great! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon, and Merry Christmas!